Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to fade black and white to color in DaVinci Resolve. This effect is perfect for creating dramatic transitions in your videos where you start with a desaturated black and white image and gradually bring the colors back to life. It's a professional touch that can really elevate your video projects. Let's get started by opening up your DaVinci Resolve application. Once you have it launched and your project loaded, you'll need to navigate to the color workspace. Look at the bottom of your screen where you'll see several tabs representing different workspaces. Click on the one labeled Color. This is where all the magic happens for color grading and effects in DaVinci Resolve. Now that you're in the color workspace, direct your attention to the left side of your screen. You'll notice several icons representing different color correction tools. Make sure to click the circle icon, which will open up the log wheels. These wheels are essential for controlling various aspects of your image, including saturation, contrast, and color balance. They're your main tools for creating the fade effect we're working on today. With the log wheels now visible, move over to the right side of your interface. Here you'll see your timeline with a playhead that you can adjust. Move this line to the exact point where you want your black and white fade to begin. Once you've positioned it correctly, click the diamond icon you see there. This creates a keyframe at that specific point in your timeline, which tells DaVinci Resolve to remember the settings at this exact moment. Keyframes are crucial for creating any kind of animated effect or transition. Next, go back to the left side where your log wheels are displayed. Look for the saturation control, which typically appears as a slider or wheel beneath the main color wheels. Adjust this saturation value all the way down to 0. This will completely desaturate your image at this keyframe, making it appear in black and white. You've now set your starting point for the fade effect. Now comes the second part of creating the transition. Move the playhead on your timeline again to where you want the color to be fully restored. This could be a few seconds later, depending on how long you want the fade to last. Once you've positioned the line at this new point, you need to bring the saturation back up. Adjust the saturation setting to 50 or whatever value looks natural for your footage. DaVinci Resolve will automatically create another keyframe here and calculate the gradual transition between your two keyframe points. Now try playing your video from the beginning. As the playhead moves through your timeline, you should see your footage smoothly transition from black and white to full color. The effect creates a beautiful cinematic fade that draws the viewer's eye and adds visual interest to your project. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.